Hey, another test drive here at Maple Motors. Yes, this is now a classic 1998 Chevy 1500 pickup with 130-something thousand miles on it. This thing is running great. 5.7, 350 up under the hood. Cold AC, in incredible shape. I mean, check it out. Regency package, aftermarket set of wheels and tires. Great tires all the way around. Beautiful paint. Nice bed. Tow package. Dual exhaust. And the upgraded interior. Shipping and financing is available. We have it all for you. Just go to maplemotors.com and give us a call if you're interested in this beautiful truck. About that time, let's go for a ride. Door panel's in good shape, buzzer's working, the dash looks awesome, showing 138,000 miles. Turn the ignition on. Starts up good, great oil pressure, almost 60 pounds. Engine temperature's up. Let's shut the door. Power windows and tinted windows. Yup. Interior. It's actually in great shape. Radio. Oh yeah, AC, cold. Don't know what that is. Backup camera maybe? I don't know. Plenty of space for your cups, your armrests. Oh, that one's ripped. AC is cold, we're cutting it off. Wipers, of course, they work. Horns, place your... Oh, wow, you need a wiper blade. That one's going to scratch the windshield if you're not careful. And that windshield's nice and clean. Up top here. Yeah, they work. What does that do? Nothing? Just style. That's just style right there. All right. Got fog lights up top. Oh, it is style. Check it out. I got stars in the roof of my car. That's the original stars. Guys, horn, what did you think? Of course. It's hit the road. See how it runs and drives. It is time to roll out. We're going to head on out of here. This truck's very self-explanatory. We're going to light up the undercarriage. We'll get a couple outside shots, but good old driver here. Needs some windshield wipers. We know that. I see them up there kind of torn. Suspension, this is a very rough parking lot here, and the suspension's handling it perfect. Coming on down this road here. Got a little bit of a left pull there. You can see it on the steering. Speedo is working. Brakes feel pretty good. I'm gonna jump on over here. Everything's working like it should. Just a little bit of a front end fade. Not bad though. Brakes. Rotors are a little warped. Passing gear, all that stuff's working just right. Rotor's a little bit warped though on the front. Got to see him shaking the steering wheel there. All the vitals are good. It's nice and cool up in here. I wonder if there's a CD in there. Nope, no CD. Power locks are working great. Easy test drive. Basically, next we're going to pull into this parking lot. We'll get some outside shots. We're going to light up the undercarriage like we always do, just to give you a full look from front to back. The most important thing on this video is going to be picking out the flaws. Got a little bit of a tire vibration, I think. I want to check the tires, make sure they're all good. They have great tread. But you can see the steering wheel shaking when I hit the brakes, which means the rotors are warped. And it does kind of feel like we got a little bit of a tire vibration. Yeah. Let's check it all out, and I'll be back. Heading on back to Maple Motors now. Well, she turned out pretty good. Engine temperature's great. Oil pressure's at 60. We're running and mechanically fine. I want to see at that 40 if it's got a little bit of a bounce, because we may have a tire or something out. I don't really know. It could be part of why it's got a little bit of a left pull. Let's try it again. Make sure it wasn't the road back there. Get up to 40. Yeah, a little bit of a bounce at 40. It just feels like a tire or something. Might have to get one of them balanced. Nothing major though that I'm seeing. It's actually steering, nice tight steering. A little bit of a left pull there, or push, whatever you want to call it. They say you're supposed to say push, I say pull. I mean, you know what I'm saying. It's going that way when I let go of the steering wheel. And at 40, it's got a little bit of a, from a tire, it's soft. When I hit the brakes, those rotors are warped. Hey, you can hear it in my voice. What happens when I floor it? Oh, it pulls. It pulls good. Of course, what we're going to do next is picking out the flaws, chips, scratches, rust, dents. That is coming up here shortly. And that's very important, so you know everything about the ride. I want you to see the interior flaws, the paint flaws. What's the bed look like? We'll just check it all out for you. Suspension's nice and smooth. I think the biggest thing, it needs a brake job. All right, I will be back here in a moment, guys. Thanks for watching. Picking out the flaws, chips, scratches, rust, dents. Let's get started. Coming around the front. Bumper on this one's not perfect, but it still looks pretty good. Little spot there. See a little bit of paint fading behind that bumper. The grill on this one looks good, but your Chevy emblem's got some cracks. A little hazy on the headlights. They could be buffed out, and they have kits for that. Coming down the side, you got some chips. Chips here at the bottom. Chips on the side. Of course, this is the original paint job, so it's crazy that it's in this good a shape. Peeling. See the clear coat's kind of coming up there. Spot here. That sticker needs to come off. Clear coat coming off at the top. Little scuff, midsection, chip. Little spots there. Bubbling up. But the good thing is it is just clear coat, and you got some chips in the midsection and on top. Dirt. Spots popping up. Checking out the roof. I wanted to stand up in the back here just to really check it out. Hey, somebody actually took care of this roof. I got some scratches there. And you got some dents. Right there in the middle. Actually, it's just one little dent. Yep, I'm in the bed. Duraliner. Looks alright. I gotta love the step side. I haven't had one in so long personally, but I used to have one. I really like how you can just get up anywhere you want. A little hazy on those reverse lights. Sweet. Clear coat peeling again. Coming down this side. Side looks better. You got some little chips. Spot here it's messed up. Chips in the front. Midsection. Spot up top. Little dirt there, it should come off. Chipped in the front. Scuffs on the door there. And around that front window, it's in great shape. Overall, really clean truck for the year. Interior is pretty awesome too. Can't complain much. Bottom of your door's like new. Edges and seals, all in great shape. Back seat, good. Headliner, also good. Little worn here on the seat, common. Dash piece can be replaced. It is kind of, the clips there are not clipping anymore. It needs some clips, but that's still how it was supposed to be. This seat's in great shape too. It's not all messed up. Glove box is definitely messed up. It's still staying up. It's not my bag holding it up. You see it's weebly, weeble wobbling. Cup holder's good. Ashtray's just spotless. They ain't been smoking in here. Little cracks. Start it up. Looking good. Nice and quiet. Engine's running great. The hood does have some little scarring. Little chips and scratches there. But mostly it's in great shape. Especially for a 98 model. Guys, 100 detailed pictures available on maplemotors.com along with financing and shipping. Be sure to hit subscribe and thank you for watching. Got any other questions? I'm here to help. Just give us a call. I'll see you in the next one.